What's going on? Actually, should I turn the air on? No, I'm gonna just try to talk louder and try to overpower because got a roommate downstairs playing some loud music or whatever. But hopefully, don't get into the video or whatever. I can just keep talking louder. So, in this video, I just wanted to talk about anybody who going through like work related issues such as money and stuff. So you want to know what to do if the money ain't right at the shop you work at, dealership, whatever situation it is. First, you need to know your skill set. Let me look into the lens right here. You need to know your skill set. Like, what can you bring to the table? What do you have to offer? What type of technician are you? What type of mechanic are you? If you were like this whole like a newer mechanic, you only have a few years experience, you can't complain about money because you ain't even get to the point of proving grounds to show motherfuckers what you can actually do, what you can bring to the table. Are you an asset? Are you valuable? It all comes down to that. These management people at management or service manager, whatever, wherever you work at, owners, they need to see this. Dang, this guy's a team player. I know his skill set. I know what he can do. I want to pay this guy whatever he wants, or not whatever he wants, but I negotiate with him, and just that's different. Now, if you just newer, you limited to brakes, rotors, suspension, you do like engine mounts and a little couple stuff in the interior, whatever, like easy. You need to know that a C-level technician and a B-level technician are the most, I'm trying to use the right word, are the most expendable type of technicians when it comes to auto mechanics, because you can easily get replaced. If you don't know what expendable is, just look up the word. For motherfuckers talking about Leak ain't got no vocabulary, nigga, what else fucking word you want me to use and shit. So everybody's not almost 90-80% of the technicians, or matter of fact, my statistics are way off. Just majority amount of mechanics, technicians, C-level, B-level technicians are expendable, and the ones that can't be expendable, but to a certain degree, a limit. If you are A-level technician, then you definitely worth having around because you're key. You're a key to the puzzle. I didn't have people told me, yeah, Leak, I need you. You do this, oh, that you do that, and you the key player. I need you on these type of jobs, and I can only trust you with these type. Like in shop I work at, if you notice, I'm like one of the ones who works on the nicer, newer cars, just cause I'm well trusted. You ain't gonna give somebody something expensive to a person that's gonna fuck that up, that's gonna break your pockets, or you gonna give it to somebody you know for a fact who gonna treat this with extra care and get it done, ain't gonna give me a comeback or nothing like that. So it all comes down to that. So you're in a situation, money ain't right. Worry about your skill set first and what you can bring to the table. Because if you don't have much to bring to the table and you fall under that category when you're expendable, then listen, just I don't. I've been there and done that. I've been there and done that. You can't really. It's not much for you to argue on. I mean, as far as you making money, because you're not an A-level technician. You're not. So what to do if you're a C tech, B tech, and you having issues and shit. So if for me, I mean, when I was in that phase, you can ask anybody that knows Malik, anybody that knows Leak, like real shit. Like I done had 1,000,001 fucking jobs. I done worked at like literally like 10 car dealerships: Honda, Chevy, Toyota, Dodge, Chrysler, Nissan, Toyota. I think I said already. I didn't work at a bunch of used car dealerships, and I done worked at like maybe 2 or 3 Chevys probably. I don't fucking know. 2 Nissans I worked at before. Listen, I've been around a fucking block. I done worked at like 2 car rental places, and listen, I done had good jobs that was willing to pay, but one thing about me, I just don't have that worker mindset. Like I know I gotta work. Yeah, cool, whatever. But it's just that I'm a hustler, and being as though it's that in my blood, that just alters the way I fucking think and shit. That I don't know what to fucking tell you. I hustle for mine. Anybody know how I am with the whole Leekautorepair thing? That shit really started on. I ain't start that as a YouTube channel. I started that as an Instagram, and I always got my hustle on throughout the neighborhood, or my area, my region, more so my region in the Philadelphia area, and the suburbs, suburban counties too, because that's where I grew up in the suburbs or whatever. So I got like people for like all over, built a nice clientele or whatever. I'm a hustler and shit. So just listen, I be doing my own thing. So that's what a whole Instagram. Maybe we get into the Instagram thing a while, but I mean, no, not in this video, of course, but next time or something like that. We'll talk about it because I made a lot of I got a lot of jobs. I got a lot of jobs came in on Instagram. We could go through. I even show you my inbox. Like I keep it a beam with you and shit. So listen, if you got to be that person to change jobs just to get happiness, do whatever you got to do, pursue that shit. So if you got to keep chasing jobs, keep chasing, pursue your fucking happiness and shit. You may get to another job where it's equal pay, but it's less like micromanagement and people, it's less drama. It ain't the atmosphere. It ain't no drama, nothing like that. You got to keep it rolling, or you got a dickhead boss or dickhead service manager. You just racist motherfuckers, all that shit or whatever. You just feel like they ain't your atmosphere to be breathing in. Definitely bounce out of that shit. I got this line from this OG used to fix cars or whatever and shit. Told me your toolbox got wheels in it. Don't hesitate to move that shit when it comes down to it and shit. So make sure you keep the motherfucking ball bearings in your fucking wheels. I don't know if you got ball bearings or whatever. That shit rusted. Spray that shit with some PB Blaster, some WD-40 and shit. But you better make sure your shit is fucking movable. No fucking problem. Toolboxes got wheels too. As long as they got wheels, you can go anywhere you want. Real shit. So if you gotta switch to another job, maybe get a job that pay $50 more, $100 more. They just probably just got more work or whatever, but you getting the same type, whatever. I don't know what the issue is. You just want to leave a job that ain't working out for you. I hate almost every job I worked at because I like to work and I feel like I want to make a lot of money. And if you can't fucking provide that shit and you slow up my fucking hustle, my money trail, I feel like I don't want to fucking be there and shit. And it's just hard to be that way because I am extremely, extremely fucking skilled and you cannot deny me no fucking work, and I don't want ever be denied work. If I'm denied work, there's an issue. I feel like you ain't trying to like pay me. Real shit. That's just how I think. I got a lot to bring to the fucking table. This shit ain't peaches and cream. Come overnight. It ain't coming 5 years. It ain't coming 6, 7, 8 years. I done this shit for a fucking while now. So listen, I want what I want. I'm a hard worker. I really work for my shit. You gotta compensate me. That's how I feel about it or whatever. So trying to figure out what other tips I could give you. So you got bounce around jobs. Do what you got to do, but make sure you be getting your skill set up. Make sure you always getting better. They ain't no never stopping no learning. You gotta keep on learning. Keep learning. Keep learning. The more you learn, more money you make. I be trying to tell people that people don't want to listen. People just always want to stick to like suspensions, brakes, and rotors or whatever. The hard stuff that you don't ever see yourself doing is the stuff that will pay you in the future. So you just need to hold it out, get your training. Just really, you need shop hours is very crucial. Very crucial.